the distortion was different. And if you go with higher helix angles, things were different. So each one was trying to see several variables and come out with their own interim, empirical methods and keep it to themselves. So what is required in R&D is that to put all these things together in a systematic way and use some mathematical models for it, you can using Jacobians to derive certain kind of experiments and come out. It will be very useful in the auto industry, in big gears. It will be useful in the gearbox industry because they all try to do around. Now we from machine tool industry, what we do, we try to overcome these challenges with not much to do on the heat treatment side and how to handle it in grinding. Then we find some other methods to grind on a distorted gear, and then which is already ground with protuberance, pre-ground thing, and we've tried to find what is the right way to enter the grinding wheel inside the tooth gap and use some software for it and do. So this is again a variable. In one batch to the other batch could be different. You can't use the same program every time you have to run it. But this method of overcoming is improved. But the root cause of how to eliminate is still not there. So there is something that it can be done in that area.
Okay, I'll just leave you with one word and then we can take it offline. I think Mr. Soundarajan pretty much summarized it for the entire industry, but from the manufacturer's side, I would like to see a heat treatment process where I just lose half a class of gear precision. I don't know if it's possible, but I think if it's more, if it's 1, 2, 3, I think I'm only helping Mr. Soundarajan sell more machines for grinding. So, having said that, I think we will take this discussion offline. But I think distortion is what we are all worried about. That's the huge challenge for us.
Well, I think we pretty much come to the end of this session. And just to touch on a couple of points that was discussed, unfortunately, all of us being engineers, a good gear depends not so much on the process in between it does, but it has everything to do with the raw material. It's just like a meal. You have very poor quality raw material going into your meal, you're going to have serious issues with it. The heat treat and the raw material plays a very, very major part. In India, we talked about cleanliness of steel. That's a challenge, a huge challenge. Because of supply and demand, most of the people are settling for average material, so we're going to have to live with it. But with more and more people becoming discerning, that comes from the end user, the buyers becoming discerning. It's a kind of a chain, which I must say is being discussed. The subject we talked about today, maybe at the last IPTEX, we may not have touched on this. Why did this happen? This is coming out because there is a demand for quality. There is a demand for us to compete globally. So I think we've done a pretty good job in covering the best we could within the limited time. I'd like once again to thank Anita and Raghu, Virgo Communications. They've done a super job in putting this together. I think the show has a much better image than it had in the last time and is growing from strength to strength. Thank you, Anita. Congratulations, great job. I would also like to thank all of you for being patient. I know there's a lot of things happening out there. You guys want to go there and sell. But hopefully, this crowd that's been sitting here can meet more informally and have more specific discussions. We are all going to be at the show at different booths, and we'll continue this discussion. It's just the beginning. We're going to have this discussion going on for many, many days, weeks, and for years. If we just keep in touch with each other, I do believe we're going to find some fantastic solutions, especially when we drop our guards and work as one. So thank you very much for your time. Is there anything, Anita, that you'd like to say? Please. So thank you, gentlemen, on the podium. You've been very patient. And thank you for your inputs, yeah.
Thank you so much. I think it was a very insightful, useful discussion. Like Mr. Sulaiman Jamal said, we would be very happy to do these kind of, organize these kind of discussion if the industry is more willing to support us. And it can be done in various other locations in a small get-together format. And we'll be more than happy to do that if the participation comes forward from your side. Thank you so much. And thank you all of you for being a part of this discussion.
Thank you. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for the wonderful roundtable discussion.